everyone, welcome to Way from Cloud, where we demystify cloud computing and make it fashionable for everybody. In this step-by-step AWS tutorial, you'll learn how to create a zero-spend budget in AWS to help monitor your cloud costs and avoid unexpected charges. This is always one of the biggest concerns for most AWS beginners. So how do we do that? The first thing is you need to log into your account. We have done that a couple of times. So if you have set up your account, all you need to do is log in. So I have my account, I'm already logged in. And what I need to do is just come to I am admin. I have an I am user, which we set up sometime in one of the videos ago. I am admin. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to come here to billing and cost management, right? When I click on billing and cost management, all I need to do is ignore all the different options that you are seeing here. There's a lot of red things coming up here. All I need to do is look for budgets and planning. I'll click on budget, and once I click on budget, I'm going to click on create a budget. I'm going to have different type of budgets here. You see, choose budget type, use a template. I'll leave that default template. This is the zero spend budget. Create a budget that notifies you once your spending exceeds $0.01. So immediately you start spending not even up to $1, you'll be notified. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the budget name my zero spend budget. I'm going to add my email address, and in this case, from a card. Make sure that you use an email address that you have access to at gmail.com is the one that I've used to create my account with wifanaccount@gmail.com, right? Once I have that, all I'm going to do is just click on create budget, and that's it. I have a budget. My zero spend budget threshold is okay, health status is healthy, budget is 1, amount used 0.0. So if I happen to use more than $1 on my account, not up to $1, 0.01, I'll be notified by email. So thanks for watching, and go ahead and keep building. See you in the next video. Bye.